Choosing the right tires for year-round driving? In this video, I'm reviewing the 5 best all-season tires, comparing traction, ride comfort, tread life, and overall value to help you find the right fit for your vehicle. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Fullway HP108 325/30th ZR19105Y All-Season XL 19-inch tire, truck/SUV high-performance all-season traction 105Y rated extra-load radial construction black sidewall tire. The Fullway HP108 325/30 ZR19 all-season tire is designed for drivers looking for a high-performance tire with a sporty profile and dependable everyday traction. With an XL extra load rating, 105Y speed rating, and wide 325 section width, it's aimed at larger performance-oriented vehicles and SUVs that use 19-inch wheels. The all-season tread is designed to provide a practical balance of dry road grip, wet weather traction, and everyday drivability without requiring a separate tire setup for every season. In real-world use, the wide footprint can provide a planted feel on dry pavement, making this tire appealing to drivers who prioritize responsive handling and a more aggressive appearance. The all-season tread design is also intended to provide useful traction when road conditions change, including wet pavement and cooler temperatures. Because this is a 325/30 ZR19 tire with an extra-load construction, buyers should pay close attention to their vehicle's recommended tire size, load requirements, and wheel specifications before purchasing. Its performance-oriented design may also be less appropriate for drivers who prioritize maximum ride comfort or severe winter capability. Overall, the Fullway HP108 is a good option for American drivers who want a wide, sporty all-season tire with an extra-load construction and high-speed rating. It's best suited to buyers who prioritize performance-oriented handling and appearance while still wanting the flexibility of an all-season tire for everyday driving. Number 2. Starfire Solarus AS All-Season 225/65 or 17-102H tire, truck/SUV touring all-season traction 102H rated standard load radial construction black sidewall tire. The Starfire Solarus AS 225/65 or 17 all-season tire is designed as a practical touring tire for trucks and SUVs that need dependable everyday performance without moving into an aggressive performance tire category. With a 102H standard load rating, 17-inch fitment, and all-season tread design, it focuses on providing a balanced combination of everyday traction, predictable handling, and comfortable road manners. Its black sidewall styling also gives it a traditional appearance that works well on a wide range of family SUVs and light trucks. In everyday driving, the Solarus AS is suited to common American road conditions, including city streets, highways, and wet pavement. The touring-oriented design makes it a practical choice for drivers who spend most of their time commuting, running errands, or taking road trips rather than pushing their vehicle for maximum cornering performance. The all-season tread provides useful year-round versatility, but buyers living in areas with frequent heavy snow or severe winter conditions should still consider a dedicated winter tire instead. Before purchasing, it's important to confirm that the 225/65 or 17 size and 102H load and speed ratings match the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Overall, the Starfire Solarus AS is an appealing choice for American SUV and light truck owners who want a straightforward all-season touring tire focused on everyday driving, balanced traction, and practical road performance. Number 3. Starfire Solarus HT All-Season 245/60 or 18-105H tire, truck/SUV highway all-season traction 105H rated standard load radial construction black sidewall tire. The Starfire Solarus HT 245/60 or 18 all-season tire is designed for SUV and truck drivers who want a practical highway tire for everyday American driving. With a 105H standard load rating, 18-inch fitment, and all-season tread design, it focuses on providing a balanced combination of traction, predictable handling, and comfortable road manners. Its traditional black sidewall styling also gives it a clean appearance that works well on family SUVs and light trucks. In everyday use, the Solarus HT is well suited to commuting, highway driving, errands, and longer road trips. The highway-oriented tread is designed to provide dependable traction across dry and wet pavement while maintaining stable handling at highway speeds. Its all-season design gives drivers useful year-round versatility, although buyers in regions that regularly experience heavy snow and ice may still want dedicated winter tires. Before purchasing, make sure the 245/60 or 18 size and 105H load and speed ratings match your vehicle's requirements. Overall, the Starfire Solarus HT is a solid choice for American SUV and truck owners who want an affordable, straightforward all-season highway tire focused on everyday driving, balanced traction, and practical road performance. Number 4. Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready 2 All-Season Radial Tire, 265/45 or 21, set of 1, truck/SUV touring all-weather traction 108V rated extra load radial construction black sidewall tire. The Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready 2 is designed for drivers who want year-round versatility without switching between conventional summer and winter tires. This 265/45 or 21 tire carries an 108V extra load rating and is engineered for SUVs and crossover vehicles that use larger 21-inch wheels. Its all-weather-oriented design makes it particularly appealing to drivers who regularly encounter changing conditions, including rain, cooler temperatures, and occasional snow. In real-world driving, the Weather Ready 2 is suited to commuters and families who need confident traction throughout changing seasons. The tread design is intended to maintain grip on wet roads while providing useful traction when temperatures drop and winter conditions appear. Its touring-oriented construction also makes it a good fit for highway trips and everyday urban driving, where predictable handling and ride comfort matter. The XL extra load construction adds useful load capability, but buyers should always confirm that the 265/45 or 21 size and 108V rating meet their vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Drivers in areas with frequent severe winter snow may still benefit from dedicated winter tires. Overall, the Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready 2 is an excellent choice for American SUV drivers looking for a premium all-weather tire that provides year-round flexibility, dependable wet weather performance, and confident highway handling. Number 5. Michelin Defender LTXM/S2 LT 285/70 or 17/E126 of 123S. The Michelin Defender LTXM/S2 LT 285/70 or 17/E is a heavy-duty light truck tire designed for drivers who prioritize durability, highway stability, and dependable everyday performance. With an LT 285/70 or 17 size and E-rated load range, it's built for compatible pickups and SUVs that regularly carry heavier loads or tow trailers. The tire is particularly suited to drivers who want a dependable option for commuting, highway travel, work use, and long-distance trips. In everyday use, the Defender LTXM/S2 is designed to provide stable handling and reliable traction across dry and wet roads while maintaining the durability expected from a light truck tire. Its construction makes it well-suited to pickup owners who frequently haul equipment, transport heavy loads, or tow. The larger LT sizing also gives compatible trucks a substantial road presence while providing the load capability needed for demanding applications. Because this is an E-rated LT tire, buyers should confirm that their vehicle is designed for this specification and understand that heavier-duty construction can produce a firmer ride than a passenger-oriented tire. Overall, the Michelin Defender LTXM/S2 is an excellent choice for American truck and SUV owners who want a premium, heavy-duty tire focused on durability, load capability, stable highway performance, and dependable everyday use. Those are my picks for the 5 best all-season tires. Whether you prioritize wet weather grip, a smooth ride, or long tread life, there's an option here for your driving needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.